Hi Cancer, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Cancer, this reading is for the remaining days in March 2021. So you can call it a mid March reading, yes. A mid month reading, actually. For Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. These are too many cards, I'm not going to pick them up. Cancer, this sign on the card at the bottom of the deck is King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and the World card. Okay, Cancer, the energies that I'm getting here are of love and a lot of struggle. After a really long period of heartbreak, healing, anxiety, and a feeling of being unwanted and just being unappreciated, you are finally entering into a, a place where you feel fulfilled. Someone wants to offer you a new beginning. They see you as their sunshine, they see you as the love of their life, and they are coming towards you bearing an olive branch. They want to offer you a new beginning, they want to give you this much needed uh, much needed feeling of love and respect, understanding, and appreciation, actually, Cancer. But I feel you are looking somewhere else. You're not wanting to give in to this situation. Even though you feel this person is absolutely authentic and amazing, there's a part of you that is not willing to give in. Obviously, I think because of what you've been through in the past at the hands of somebody who said they love you and appreciated you, but then there's a lot of internal battle going on. There's a lot of internal turmoil, and you are arguing with your own self about a lot of things in life, Cancer. You've dealt with people who've only taken and not given anything in return. You feel stuck to their energies. You're trying to get over this person, this love, or some kind of addiction. But I feel, Cancer, in the near future, the tides are turning, and you are also going to be offering this new love to somebody. It could be the same person who's offering you love right now, it could be somebody else. The signs here that are present here are Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer, Gemini, Libra, Leo, Taurus, Some new messages for Cancer. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. A lot of people are involved and just see the devil has come and fallen on top of the devil. In the recent past, Cancer, you were giving your cup full of love to somebody who was ruthless, somebody who was only looking out for themselves, probably using you in the process, in their journey. And there was another person who you offered your cup to, who was as ruthless as the first one. These people came into your life to teach you a lesson, to help you get rid of some bad karma, and now it's time for them to leave your thoughts because they've already left your life. You are looking at them, you are holding on to them. Probably the second person who you gave this cup of love to still thinks about you. Could be a Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn person. But this other person who you were closer to doesn't think about you at all. They moved on, and so should you. It could be a Scorpio person that I'm getting. You are addicted to their idea, to the idea of loving them. You're addicted to the fact that they have probably turned their back towards you. Healing is a painful process, Cancer, and you're getting some kind of reconciliation as well. Probably this new person is someone that you've known. But Cancer, I see you're holding on to a lot of past baggage. But in the near future, you are going to be letting it all go and letting love in. Now let's see some extra messages for you. These messages, Cancer, may or may not be directly related to your tarot. So take them however they resonate with you. Within the next few months, if you had a question pertaining to a timeline that's going to happen in the next few months, say positive affirmations each morning to open the gates of manifestation. Morning affirmations are something that you start your day with. The intent that you put into your day, make sure it's a good one. Severing of ties, letting go of anger and conflict, and softening towards love. This is what I'm seeing in the near future. I've taken the liberty of relating these oracle cards with the tarot, but you can take them however they resonate with you. Prosperity lies ahead. Believe in the impossible. Adjustments are required. Have faith in your dreams. And the energy is gaining momentum. Don't give up, Cancer. Wow. Catch your breath. Number 15 could be important. 9, 10, 15, yes. They could be important numbers. So keep an eye out for them. Coincidentally, today is the 15th of March. Wow. There is nothing sexier than my authentic truth. Wow, Cancer, this is amazing. Beautiful reading, Cancer. I would like to dedicate this beautiful amethyst crystal to you so that you get the strength that you truly deserve and need. I hope you enjoyed this reading, Cancer. Thank you for watching. Bye.